I got you. I got you, babe.
No, and I said, you're a fake fan. You are a fake fan.
Why?
Because she didn't watch the other season. She only watched the last
She
season.
only watched season
Yeah.
4.
And I was like, she's paused her music. And I was like, you're a fake fan.
Talking about me.
I'm not talking.
And
I'm
listen, I watched it from
just recording.
Good. Hello.
And now she's listening to freaking Kate Moss.
It's Kate Bush, you dickhead.
It's not.
Didn't we buy you like an 11 Funko Pop when you were like 12?
Yeah, she's in the loft. She's in there. Oh my god, get her out. She's escaped. That was fun.
No thank you. Oh shoot, this is a nice brush. It's slick. Said you're looking for a boyfriend. Sweetie.
Money giveaway. Bleep.
Should have a mirror like right here.
I can just about let that mirror be up in my room, and that's across from my bed. Exactly where. Oh. Yeah. Huh? Who? Yeah. How is that? Oh. Yes, that's correct. In high school, when that kid messaged you something to do with your YouTube channel.
Like random.
Yeah, random. All the boys in what classes did we have to do? Probably DT, maths, stuff like that. And they always mention the channel to you. To the point that I got asked questions. Oh, I completely forgot about that. Like, yeah, I know, that's what I'm about. I knew something looked different.
Yeah, but
What's
glasses
on?
on.
Your ear looks really good. You know when people model earrings? You could do that.
Hello. Okay.
This is so messy.
We're gonna grate the carrots. Okay.
Let's go.
In a mixing bowl with sugar, oil, and eggs together. What is your favourite memory of us?
Oh,
2 cups of
I
brandy.
don't know.
Wow.
I don't know that. There's too many. When we went bowling, I don't know, the whole experience was just really fun. Because we were at Alicia's beforehand, you know. Sorry, I keep getting really distracted.
Shoot.
You know.
Shoot. Does it mean 1 1/4 cup?
Gosh.
Robin, help! I can't move the oil. Otherwise, if it's more than that, doesn't look right.
It says
And a
and a
quarter.
quarter, so one cup like that. That looks like way too much.
Exactly.
Do it. Just do it. Oh, that sounded hot. Yeah, what's your favourite memory of us, Bob? Oh, and another one is in year 11, the pictures in the mirror, in the window.
It was like after school and we had to go and collect our work from DT, and it was just really creepy. Like the corridor was just dark and the lights were off in the classroom as well. And then we heard something move and we just left so fast and we ran down the corridor, and what was worse was that we forgot to get the stuff that we were supposed to collect in the first place, so we literally had to go back.
What's your favourite plant or flower?
My favourite, oh my god, why can't I remember the name? I think lilies are quite cute.
Lilies.
I like all flowers.
Okay.
What about you, Lindsay?
Oh, I like willow trees. I think they're very pretty.
Oh no, I like tulips. Oh, ah!
A bunch of carrots just fell.
This one actually stabbed me.
So you've watched Stranger Things? Mm-hmm. What do you think about it? I haven't watched it yet. Don't spoil anything.
It was great. Great.
Delish. Don't do that.
Oh my god, I've got the mixing song in from from CBBC. I'm not doing a very good job at this. I'm not strong like this.
Baking strong.
Ow! I can't do this.
Okay.
Let me record you.
Do you think it's lumpy, is it not? Or is it because of the carrots?
I don't know.
The way you're holding, the way you're standing right now on the street. You're like,
Wow.
Oh god.
Lindsay's point of view.
You're getting all the angles.
Of course I am. This was. Oh! Is that right?
What are you doing? minutes. Did you just zone out or something?
What about the vanilla extract? Did you add any in? Is that going to ruin the cake? Is it?
Oh wait,
It's like frosting!
Oh my god. Oh thank god. Frosting.
Whew, that
Put me in a panic
then.
then.
One.
Oh my god. Can you put this one in now?
Sure.
Thanks.
Let's go. Top or bottom? No props, chef. Sorry. See?
That's pretty blue.
Okay, actually does.
Where's the AE? Is that it?
Done.
Jeez.
Fantastic. Just a spoon. Oh. Sorry. I see.
Don't aim that at me.
Yeah, I'm trying to press the button.
Push. There you go.
I'm actually pretty impressed with this.
You're doing a good job.
I thought the technique wouldn't work, but here we are.
You're doing pretty well. You can tell which one's one.
Lindsay's gonna fall apart. Go. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, Lindsay. Oh god.
Robin.
Oh god.
What happened to that?
This one is the best one.
Can you tell me if you see yourself? Wait, someone in two minutes my face. Stop! Stop! Stop!